Yeah, what up, everyone? Hope you're all good. This is a recap video on the trade that I took for gold in the morning during the Asian session. So here's the trade. My first video, or the first video on the live section of the channel, um, was about a gold trade. It was a live trade, and remember I said I'm going to treat this as a prop firm challenge. I said I was going to treat this as a prop firm challenge. So the target was what? In order for us to pass the step, the first step, the evaluation step was the 10%. So the initial amount here was $10,000. Here's the trade history. $10,000. We made a profit of 1,189. So it's a little bit above. It's above by 2%, 1.8%. So instead of 10, I would have made 11. Yeah, I would have made 11%. Let us just put it that way. So yeah, this is the account now. It is sitting at 11,000 rand, $11,000. Excuse me. So this is where I took a trade, and this is where I got off. So my risk to return ratio, my stop loss was there, and my, oh, let me just do this. So this was my risk to return ratio. This is where I placed the trade. Look at where I got off. So this is where I took off my profits. So 1 is to 6,8. 1 is to 6,8. That's a very crazy risk to return ratio. If I was risking $10, I was risking 10. I would have risked $10 to make $60. Actually, $68. This is a good risk to return ratio trade. Wonderful. So, hypothetically speaking, if this was a prop firm, I would have passed my first evaluation step just with one trade. So the live trade is on my first video. You go to the first video, then you will see the beginning stages of the position that I took here, selling gold. Um, just from the start, live execution, pushing the buttons live, no manga business. So yeah, um, with let me just continue with um, make a follow up with the other analysis on different asset classes that I made. I made analysis on the crypto, particularly in this case, it's Bitcoin. I said I want Bitcoin to trade to this other block, this green beefy candlestick. I want it to trade to this area there. Once it gets to that area, I will want to sell. I will want to sell. Then let us go to the indices, particularly in this case, it's the US 30. In the US 30, I did talk about this high over here. I said the market, I wanted to see the market. This is my shaded area on the previous video. In case you did not watch it, just go back and watch the first video. It has my analysis. This was my area of interest, and this is what the market is doing. It's consolidating. You know, I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell. I predicted this move while the market was around here or here. I don't know. I can't remember. I predicted this move here. I said I want to see the market trading to these highs. Once it gets there, my interest will be selling. I will be looking for sell positions, but it has not given me any reason to sell so far. It is just going back and forth. It is uh, consolidating, you know. So while it's consolidating, I'll just wait for my signature to play out. Then I sell. If that doesn't happen and it goes up, then that's fine. I will just keep on updating my analysis based on what the market is showing me. But for now, I am still on the idea of selling this pair. So it's only this pair, Bitcoin and gold, that I analyzed this morning. Check the first three videos. The first video is about me taking a sell on gold. My analysis was shared live. The trade was taken live. The second video is me analyzing US30. The third video is me analyzing Bitcoin. So yeah, I did say analysis and taking a trade are two different things. When you analyze, you are projecting. It's like you predict. You make a prediction of where you want to see the market going to in the next 4 to 5 hours. Then when that projection is met, that's when you look to enter a trade. For an example, I would want to see gold trading to these lows. I would want to see gold also trading to this high. Once gold trades to this high, I will be looking to sell, but it can continue going higher. It doesn't matter. As long as it does not give me a signature like the break of market structure after trading to this high, then I am not going to do anything. If it continues going higher, it will continue. I'll watch it. It will go higher without me, because after breaking this high, I will be looking for sells and nothing else. Okay, so that's the difference between taking a trade, pushing the buy or sell button, and doing an analysis. For an example, if you say, once the market gets to this high, I want to sell. I will wait for the market to come back here and sell. I'm not going to force the market to give me a buy so I can hold until this area there where I am looking for sales. No, if it does not do anything here, if it does not show me any signature as to buying or placing a buy position, I'm not going to do anything. I'll just watch it going higher and higher and higher. Then I'll place I will monitor what price does after taking out this liquidity. So that's the difference between placing a trade and what? And doing an analysis. Just because someone says the market's gonna take out this high, that does not mean they know what to do here. They might say the market will come to this high and the market trades to those highs, but once it gets there, what's next? You get what I'm saying? But there are others who are like, the market will reach out to this high, then they start looking for buys, you see. So they trade according to analysis. Me, I don't trade according to analysis. I trade after my analysis. After analyzing and my analysis pans out the way I analyze it, that's when I look for a position. Yes. So yeah, I think this will conclude my this video recap on the position that I took. As you can see, gold did sell. I made 1,000, which is 10% of the account. Prop firm hypothetically passed. Prop firm challenged the first phase, which is the evaluation phase. If this was a prop firm account, I would have passed, and waited for 5 days, whatever, to be approved so that I can take in the next challenge that will lead to me being funded, So yeah, I don't have anything else to say for now. I think I've said it all. Gold sold live during the Asian session, and we were profitable. Yeah. So right now, I don't have anything. I don't have anything else to say. I don't have anything else to say. Because for the day, with regards to gold, I am done. But you'll never know. The New York market, the New York session can just offer another opportunity as well. So yeah. But then let us just visit the currencies as well. The currencies, we have this liquidity there. The equal highs. But let me just make another video for the currencies alone. Actually, I don't want to make a spaghetti of my videos. Just want everything to be clean and clear. So yeah, this will end the commentary. This will end the recap for my gold trade recap.